The CCI Divergence Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to understand how the indicator works and functions. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we execute the indicator. Once the indicator is executed on the chart, it begins to identify divergences on the price chart. The CCI Divergence Indicator is a special and practical tool for traders who are looking to identify CCI divergences on the price chart. For example, in this section, the price has formed a lower low, and in the oscillator, a higher low has been formed, which signals a positive divergence for us. The indicator displays divergence by drawing lines and shows a buy signal, indicating a trading position to traders. Also, in this section, the price has formed a higher high, and the oscillator has identified a lower high in this part, after which a sell signal has been issued. In the Settings section, under the Input tab, there are options available for us, where in the first part we can set the CCI period. In the next section, we can choose the number of candles for pivot analysis. In the following section, we can determine the maximum number of candles between two pivots. In the next section, we can set the minimum number of candles between two pivots, where 30 candles are considered for the maximum and 5 candles for the minimum. In the following section, we can select the number of divergences to analyze in each pivot, which is set to 1 pivot by default. It moves 1 pivot forward from the identified pivot and examines it, issuing a signal if identified. In the next section, the number of candles for divergence breakout is set, which is set to 2 by default. For example, here, a breakout has occurred for us, and the divergence has been identified. If more than 2 breakouts occur here, the divergence will not be identified for us. In the next section, we can adjust the shift, which examines the pivot after 2 candles have passed, and we can increase or decrease this value. In the following sections, we can set the color of the sell divergence and buy divergence lines to our desired color, and finally, we can set the size of the lines to our preferred size. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.